Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about an algorithm technique which is divide and conquer. So when we do problem solving, right, there are a lot of algorithms which we already know that exist, right, using which we can solve our problem effectively. So divide and conquer is one of the algorithmic technique through which we can solve a problem. It's an algorithmic technique that recursively breaks down a problem into sub-problems of similar type until it can become simple enough to solve directly. Normal, this is a normal example just to explain you. So in a website, even if you take monolithic architecture or microservice architecture, okay, even if you're not familiar with those words, just ignore it. Just think of a website. In a website, you have multiple modules, right? So let's say you are working on one module and there you have to build 3 to 4 functionalities. You worked on those functionalities individually. That means that module you divided into sub functionalities. You worked on those functionalities, completed them, and then you merged those functionalities to get your required module. That is one of the example of divide and conquer. Basically what you're doing, you have a problem, okay, then you divided it into two parts. Now these two parts you keep on divided into again sub problems, okay, and you make it small enough till the point it becomes the simplest to solve, okay, and then when these problems are divided, you have two sub problems which are solved. Then you merge their solution, get the solution for your main problem. Then again you have at that level also two sub problem solution. You merge those two solutions and get the solution for the main problem. This thing you keep on doing until you get the solution for your main problem. First you had a problem, you kept on dividing into sub problems till the point it becomes the smallest to solve. Then once you have the solution for the sub problem, you kept on merging them till you get the solution for the main problem. So divide and then conquer. Now these three are very popular examples of it, which is binary search, merge sort, and quick sort. You can go through that video to understand it. It's one of the really popular and simple example to understand, and even easy to implement actually. This is just to explain you what divide and conquer is. It's an algorithmic technique, and there are so many problems which you can solve using this technique. Okay, and these are the algorithms where we already used it. In future, we might explore it more in problem solving, but for this video, that's all I wanted to explain. See you in the next one.